Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday I told you I went long after the descending triangle breakout above 119K. Today, Bitcoin hit another all-time high at 123.2K. I took profits 4 hours after the peak, but I am still holding a small to medium long from 120K, planning to add more if we dip lower. Liquidations today totaled around $779 million. Shorts made up $558 million, showing how aggressive bears were squeezed before the reversal. Our breakout target pointed to 126K, but instead of rallying higher, Bitcoin consolidated at the highs and broke down below 118K, signaling weakness. RSI above 89 and red dots after the 123K peak marked the top and hinted that momentum was stalling. Support is now tested around 117K. Below that, 114.7K and 113.4K are next. Resistance is at 118.7 to 120K. In short, Bitcoin shows post-pump exhaustion. Unless support is reclaimed soon, more downside looks likely. On the 3-day liquidation heat map, most long liquidation levels have been cleared, including 119K and 116.6K. Support may form near 116K. Above, a short liquidation pocket forms around 124.1K. Interestingly, today's drop returned us to Friday's price levels near 107.7K. Institutions missed Sunday's pump. Did they trigger this dip to buy back in? ETF flows today show $97 million in outflows, mainly from Fidelity and ARK Invest. BlackRock is silent so far. Funny how last week saw $1 billion of inflows, but now at higher prices, we see selling. This aligns with my 1-hour long wave strategy, which expects a new long signal after a 5 to 10 day dip. Is this the setup we waited for? Time will tell. In other news, Michael Saylor announced that MicroStrategy bought 4,225 Bitcoin for $472 million at around 111K average. They now hold 601,500 Bitcoin, worth over $42 billion. Impressive. Zach Bohel also shared Bitcoin's yearly chart today, showing more upside could come if the 4-year cycle continues to play out. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.